Come with me to Target because I am having pregnancy cravings and water is just not going to do it for me. So we need to find something that is safe, that we can drink, that's not water. Also, 1 cup of coffee is safe in pregnancy. If you didn't know, I'm a labor and delivery nurse and I don't need to hear a lecture about it. I'm going to keep drinking my coffee 1 cup a day. It'll be all right. Also, I don't know if you guys have tried, I think it's called Olipop, but this strawberry vanilla flavor is so good. It's non-GMO, it's vegan, it's paleo friendly, it has prebiotics and plant fibers. It's also gluten-free, which I love that too. It has a lot more ingredients than I would like, but the good thing is it's only 35 calories. But overall, I really like it. Especially being pregnant, I need to find other things to drink that are not alcohol or beer. I am definitely a craft beer girly, and so when I found out I was pregnant, I completely stopped with all of the beer, all of the alcohol, and I found out at 3 weeks. So even before that, I knew there was a possibility that I could be pregnant because I was tracking my ovulation. And so I was taking it really, really easy on any type of alcohol that I was drinking. I was being really careful. But overall, I really, really like this brand. I loved the strawberry vanilla flavor, and I would definitely give them a chance and try some of their other flavors. So if you've tried any of the other flavors, then please tell me what your favorite is so I can try it. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Mwah.